Welcome. I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder and chief revenue officer of Marketplace Valet. We have been an Amazon seller since 2006 with over 400,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to help you learn about Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about managing users in Seller Central. Let's jump in. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of setting up and managing user permissions in Seller Central. This is an essential step for maintaining control and security over your Amazon seller account, especially if multiple people are working on your team. First of all, you just have to log into your Seller Central account, then navigate to the Settings menu located at the top right corner of the screen and select User Permissions from the options it will take to you towards User Permissions page. You'll see a list of users who currently have access to your account to add a new user. Click on the Add a New User button here. There's no specific button like Add a New User. You just have to put a name, then email address, and click on Invite button. After clicking on that, the invited user will receive an email with instructions to complete their account setup. Once the user has accepted the invitation, you can assign specific permission to them. Click Manage Permissions next to their name to access the permission setting. You'll find several categories like Inventory, Order, Advertising, and Reports. You can enable or disable permissions for each category according to the user's role. For example, if you have a staff member responsible for handling orders, you can grant them permissions for the order section while restricting their access to areas like inventory or financials. It's important to periodically review and update user permissions to ensure that your team members have the appropriate access levels. This not only enhances security, but also ensures that everyone can perform their task efficiently. If you need to remove a user, just click on the Delete button next to their name to revoke their access to your Seller Central account. If you have any questions, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching.